Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Uh-oh. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Oh my god, a lot of cards. Okay, so Pisces, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Oh, the Magician. Pisces, this is your current energy, the Magician. Pisces people, I feel that a lot of you are working towards your own growth, towards your own expansion, towards your own success. Okay, seems like you want to achieve something. Okay, these are your partner's energies. Okay, so seems like you want something very badly in your life, and you are putting all your heart and mind into that particular thing. It could be a new job, it could be a new relationship, it could be a new beginning in life. Perhaps you wants to move out from your current location and wants to settle down at on a completely different location. Okay, so I feel that Pisces people, you are working really hard on your own goals, on your own success, on your own growth, on your own expansion. Okay, I feel that most of you are working towards uh, I mean, you guys are working really hard to be the best version of yourself. Plus you are just sharpening your skills, whatever you have right now. Plus I'm also seeing that you guys are really working hard to gain a lot of knowledge. Okay. So this is your current energy, Pisces. These are your partner's current energies. We have Two of Swords and Seven of Wands. Okay. I feel Pisces, your person is somebody who is kind of detached with everyone. Okay, they don't want to be in any circle. They don't want to be in any sort of group. Okay, they are completely. They have isolated themselves. They are completely alone. Okay, plus they are they don't even care whoever comes and goes, okay, from their life path. They are being silent, they are being closed off, they are being somebody who does not want to be a part of any social group, any kind of group. Okay, so they just want to live alone. They just want to for the timing, they just want to live alone. Okay, they don't want anyone in their life. Okay, um yeah, perhaps they must be struggling. Okay, uh towards their own expansion. Okay, I'm seeing with this Seven of Wands card, some of your partner must be busy into their own things. Okay, they must be uh picking what is best for them in the future or for the future. Okay, perhaps they have lot of option right now, but they now they need to see what is good for them and what is not good for them. So I feel that for that time being, they have just closed their heart for everyone. Okay, they are not seeing whoever is coming. They don't even bother about that. Okay, they don't even care about whoever is coming or going. Okay, so this person is must be working towards on their own life. Okay, they have closed their heart for emotional relationships or or emotional bondings. Okay, they don't want to be in any kind of social group, as I said. Okay, I feel that they are into some kind of a mess, I would say. Okay, so they just want to see, or they just want to pick one best option which is going to be there for them for the rest of their life. Okay. Okay, so these are your partner's current energy, Pisces. Okay. Let's see how you see them and how they see you. How you see them. Oh my god, 3 cards. How you see them. I'm not going to pick. I'm going to pick only one card. Schizophrenia. Okay. So with this card, Pisces, I feel that you see your person as somebody who is clinging, okay, between two options, okay. You see them, they are somebody who, always jump on, sometimes they jump on this situation and sometimes they jump on this situation. But now now you feel that they are the one who just want to travel in a, who just want to do a lot of work at the same point of time, and that thing is making them really sick and tired. Okay, this person is, stuck in such position, or in such in uh, at such level that they can't move here and there. I mean, they can't go anywhere. Okay. I feel that they have chosen this path, or as per their own wish, as per their own will. Okay, now let's see how your partner is seeing you, Pisces. So we have sorrow and going with the flow. Pisces, your person has seen you, or your person is seeing you right now as somebody, uh, at one point of time you are completely broken down, completely, shattered. Okay, you are completely devastated person for them. Okay, but on the other hand, they see you as somebody who is trying to cope up with the situation, who is trying to go with the flow. Okay, they are seeing you that even though you are feeling sad, okay, about something, even though you are feeling worried about something, but at some point of time they feel, they see you as somebody who has the strong willpower. Okay, so whatever comes into your life, Pisces, your person sees you as, somebody that, okay, whatever is coming, I'll see that. Okay, so they see you as someone who always go with the flow. Okay, who never takes, life, very, uh, I mean, who always takes life, very lightly. Okay. Okay, now let's see how you feel about them and how they feel about you. How you feel about them and how they feel about you. How Pisces people feel about them. Mm-mm. Mm-mm, mm-mm. So Pisces, with this Nine of Pentacles card, you feel, your person as somebody who is, who has everything in life. Okay, I would say you feel that they have everything. Okay, plus, you also feel, about them that they have chosen this loneliness for themselves. Okay, maybe, some, many people must have, chased them in past, but they have chosen to be lonely. Okay, they, feel, I mean, you see them as somebody, or you feel about that somebody, I mean, they are someone who is, who is independent. Okay, who is, who try to be happy in their own skin. okay, who try to cope up with their loneliness. Okay, this person must have pets with them. Okay, this person must have a lot of money with them. This person must have good home with them. This person must have abundance in their life. Okay, but at some point of time you think or you feel about them that yes, this person is completely lonely from inside, but because this person doesn't have anybody else to share their heart. Okay, okay, on the other hand, your person thinks about you as somebody you are as somebody who just want to move out. Okay, or perhaps you have been through so many bad relationships now. Okay, now you just want to be out from these emotions and relationship things and all that things. Okay, you feel that all these things are nothing but but just a waste of time. Okay, so that's how your person feels about you, Pisces. They feel about you that you are distancing yourself from emotional relationships, you are distancing yourself from emotional bondings, okay, emotional attachments. Okay, and you just want to move out from this energy. Okay, to explore what is there for you in the life. Okay, you just want to explore the new opportunities of life. Okay, you just want to see what God has planned for you. Okay. Now let's see, Pisces, how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. How you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Oh, Nine of Swords, Six of Swords. We have Nine of Swords. Pisces, I feel that at some point of time you feel that, oh my God, what has happened to me? I don't want to move out anywhere. I just want to be in this relationship, or I just want to be in this energy. Okay, and sadly you are not able to move out from that particular thing or from that particular relationship. Your past haunts you. Your past memories makes you more worried. Okay, your past basically haunts you. That's what I'm seeing with this Nine of Swords card by Pisces. So you must be feeling anxious, you must be feeling worried, you must be having nightmares. Okay, you are being the one who's not getting any peace in your life. Okay, perhaps you are holding on something in life very tightly, you have hold something within your heart. Okay, I don't want to let go this emotion, I don't want to let go this person, I don't want to let go this relationship. Okay, at some point of time you zoom yourself, you show yourself, you display yourself in front of the world that hey, I don't want anyone, I'm working on myself, I'm working on my skills, I want a better life for me, I want new opportunities in life for me. But yes, whenever you are alone, okay, that time your loneliness haunts you, your emptiness haunts you. Perhaps you are still struggling to love yourself, you need to love yourself more and more, Pisces. Okay, only then you will be able to out from this Nine of Swords energy. Let go, let go of your grudges, let go of your past bad emotional baggages and something like that. I mean, please throw away all those negative emotions. Okay, on the other hand, your person sees this relationship, or your person feels in this relationship that they should move out. You guys are not on the same page. I must tell you, you guys are not on the same page. Not right now, but I can't say anything about future. But as of now, you guys are not on the same page. This person feels like moving out. Okay, this person, I feel that they don't want to be in this relationship, or perhaps it could also happen for some of you, Pisces, that a person wants to be with you. Anything can be happen, but the strong feeling which I am getting from this card is that your person does not want to be in this relationship anymore. They just want to be out from this relationship. Perhaps, as I said, they have so many options. Now it is their time to choose what is good for them for future. So for the sake of their future, they just want to out from this relationship. Okay, So that's how you and your person is feeling in this relationship. Now let's see what is going to be there for you in future. What's the future potential of this relationship? What is the future potential? Oh. Seven of Pentacles. Pisces, I feel that in future both of you are going to think about your past. Okay, it's you and them. Both of you must be thinking about each other. Okay, what if I'll be with my Pisces? What if I'll be with my current person? Or I mean, whether I'll be able to meet that person or not, or something like that. So you must be thinking about them and they must be thinking about you. Okay, in future. So, but I'm not seeing any kind of action. I'm not seeing any actions in this relationship in future as well. Perhaps you guys are trying to cope up with the situation, that now it's the perhaps this is the end of this relationship. Okay, or we should focus on something else in life. Okay, life is too long, too big. So it's you and them who are thinking about your past relationship, who are thinking about each other, but no action. No action. Okay, now I'm going to take one angel message for you, Pisces. Let's see what angels are trying to tell you. One angel message for Pisces, please. One angel message for Pisces. Peaceful resolution. Pisces, I feel that whatever you are doing right now, that thing is going to bring peaceful resolution in your life. Okay, you need to be very optimistic about yourself. You need to be very self-confident. You need to be very positive about your future. Okay, people comes and go from our life, but life never stops. You need to remember this thing always, always. Okay, so it's better to think, or it's better to focus on your own growth. Okay, rather than clinging into past. Okay, once you'll be able to do that, once you'll be able to let go of your past, then peaceful resolution is coming for you. That's what angels are saying. Okay, so let's see. Pisces, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, air sign with this 9 of swords, 2 of swords, 6 of swords. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this 8 of cups. Okay, we have water sign in this reading with this going with the flow card. Okay, right? And we have earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this sorrow card. Okay, we have with the 7 of Pentacles and 9 of Pentacles. We have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign in this reading as well with the 7 of Wands. And yeah. Okay, Pisces, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.